Okay guys, so here we go. This looks like the bag with the parts that we need. So let's open it up and take some of the parts out. It also has screws in there, so don't lose the screws, which will be very, very useful, obviously. And here are the screws that we need, I think. They are of different sizes, which is probably screwy. I mean, what? Anyway. Let's try to figure out what's going on here. There's a lot of these wiggly pieces coming out, so maybe what we could use is a good old Ziploc. And I love having Ziplocs hanging around so that the loose parts can be thrown in there, and it's less likely to lose stuff because you don't get a whole lot of spares, so if you do lose a piece, then you are in trouble.
Likey